Yesterday we had an absolute whopper. What a blizzard. Look how much snow. Look how high it is. This is like more than a foot. Look at this, more than a foot. Look what's going on. So here's a couple advice. When you know that the storm's coming up, put your windshield wipers up. And then you can bring them down. Otherwise, they get stuck in the snow, and then you cannot move them. Look at that. It's nice and sunny now. Here's for my Toyota. You put them down, and then you're good. Of course, my wife. Wave. Of course, her car is nice and clean in the garage. Bye, honey. Have a good day.
Thanks.
So her car is nice and clean. We had to clean yesterday, and the Ego Pro. One second, guys. 1 second. Sorry. The Ego Pro snowblower did an amazing job. Amazing. I'm just inside my little Leaf, and of course you preheat it, and it's nice and toasty. I have to go run some errands. School is closed today, of course, which is absolutely ridiculous. Because you should have. My wife's school has a delayed opening. She's a teacher. She has a delayed opening, and my kids' school is completely closed. But that's another story for another time. So, sorry. So we're just gonna see how the roads are. I have to go run a little errand. See how the roads are. Come on, I'm stuck in the snow. Anyway, go again. Let's try it again. Come on, Nissan Leaf, you can do it. Yes, you did it. Almost. Yes, you did it. I just got stuck on the snow on the side. There's not too much room to maneuver, but I did it. The little Leaf has done it again. So it's a little icy, the roads now. Everything was cleaned. I mean, I worked for hours yesterday with that the electric Ego Pro snowblower. I'm telling you, it's amazing. You put the 2 batteries in, it works for about. You can work for about 45 minutes. But I work on the highest level, like on the strongest speed. So. But you clean and you let it charge for, I don't know, half hour, 45 minutes each battery. Then you go out again. I went a few times. It was great. Look at that. It's winter wonderland. It's all snow and ice. It's beautiful. 14 degrees outside. How do you like that? And it's great. I mean, I have snow tires on both the Leaf and the Volt. My wife just left with the Volt. But it's a lot of snow. It's the biggest snowstorm of the year. After having a very warm February, really warm, like spring-like warm. So we got clobbered by this snowstorm, but it's good. I'm not complaining. I love it. It's fine. Look at that. Mountains of snow. Anyway, so that's that for today with the snow and the blizzard. The winds were amazingly strong. Oh my God. They were whipping. But today is nice and beautiful. Tell you something, guys, before I go. Just the app to warm your car, to preheat the car. So incredibly amazing, especially with this Leaf, which I told you that in many videos, it warms up so quick. quickly, and it's amazing. Here, the main roads are nice and clean. They're nice and clean, the main roads. We should have school today. What is this? Okay, have a good day, everybody.